leadership for young scientists. And I wish to welcome all our young scientists on behalf of the International Federation of Esports. They came here from all around across the country, different regions of the country, coming here together to show their mettle, show their capability, fighting each other with a healthy spirit. So, I'll tell you, International Federation of Esports is an organization. As an organization, we respect all religions, all kind of territorial integrity of all countries, all kind of cultures across the globe. But I will also add that at the same time, we live in a single world, one world. That's how we have created this arena. So we are also one world, one arena. So we should respect each and everybody. But in this arena, we have to play together and we have to show our methods for the future development of our humankind and everybody's progress. In this game, this is the first time we organize in Azerbaijan, the Technoxian. This year, this is our 8th edition. And